Today we're going to be putting a new garage door opener on this garage. So basically we're going to hit the learn button on the garage door opener. On the opener, press program 3, 5, 7, 1, 2, 3. There we go. Program, we can set our own pin. And the way we do that is step 2, set new or change current pin. The current factory pin is 357. We're going to press the program key. We're going to enter a new pin or press the program key. So we're going to enter the current pin 357 program 0, 2, 5.